Right, Matthew. So good first lesson today. So I know we kind of jumped around a little bit, covered a lot, but as I said, the next ones are going to be a little bit more focused. So I just kind of wanted to do a little bit of everything today. So chord wise, then, so you pretty much got everything you need um, now already. So with the exception of D minor, as I said, so that one is first fret, first string, first finger, third fret with the third finger, and second fret with the second finger. And as usual, get rid of the E string, definitely the E string, and as I said, preferably the A string as well. E major is just A minor up a string. And then we had E7 as well. I know you know D7 already. So there's E7. So there's E, take up the third finger. There's E7. Okay, so now what I want you to do as well during the week is just take random chords that you know, put them together, maybe two at a time, four at a time, etc., and just play them, just over and over and over again. Now, strumming wise, as I said, try to just move in a regular pattern, but just skip some of the beats, right? So that's kind of what we did today, right? So for example, E minor, A minor 7, we just went. So you see the way I'm just kind of skipping most of the ups there, right? I'm hitting one of them and the other three I'm just skipping. So that's it. So you can make any number of different patterns just by doing that. So what's most important though is that you keep the rhythm regular. Okay, so that's it. Practicing your chords, going one after the other, etc. Get those movements, nice and fluid. And rhythm-wise, yeah, just whatever it is, just keep it steady. We'll get into more detail on that, of course, later on. But for now, just keep it steady. Skip a few. That's it. So those are the new chords, and then we were talking about the pentatonic scale as well. So just to get something a little bit different to the chords. As I said, chords are the most fundamentally important part of this, but it's nice to break things up every now and then with a bit of melody too. So the scale itself is, as I said, two notes on every string, the way we're playing it anyway. The first of every two is always on the same fret, so in this case, no fret, open. And then from there, you go up by three, up by two, up by two, three, three. Nope. And try to keep your picking down, up, down, up, down, up. Well, in other words, just try not to get into the habit of going down, 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 down the whole time. So, two phrases we did then, just to kind of get us started with that kind of thing, were, well, the techniques, first of all, pull off, hammer on, okay, and then slide. And don't these are just a couple of examples that I'm giving you, but don't be afraid to mess around with it. Go right up the fretboard, just see what happens. So the phrases were third, this one, which is third fret, pull off on the first string, same on the second string. Then on the second string, we're going 3 to 5. All right. Next one was fourth string, second fret, pull off. Fifth string, same again. A good drag on that third fret, sixth string. Let it go, and maybe an E7. Okay, and see what else you can come up with as well. But just get familiar with that scale, because for my money, it's the easiest way to learn how to just do melodies without really having to think about it an awful lot. So there's that, and yeah, then there was the harmonics as well. So as I said, easiest places to get those are 12th fret, 7th fret, and 5th. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And the main thing is just go at it. You know, um, play and keep playing. We can be very specific and the way we practice and all that, and we should be too. But the bottom line is just keep playing. Line up the chords one after the other and just play them. As I said, just have a notebook, blank notebook, a few songs, text them on to me, and preferably a few questions as well. All right. Talk to you next week.